we are ready to show you our new Loot Crate. We, the wizards of our home at least. And we are excited because, well, it's March. We have March Loot Crate. It is the, what was the theme this month, everyone? Oh, Primal. It was Primal. So we're going to open up our Loot Crate. I already removed the sticker to open up the box, make sure we're all prepped. But we are going to open it up, and the kids are going to go, ooh, ah. That was perfect. So we are going to go through this a little quicker than last time because no one likes watching long videos. So we have, looks like we have a Loot Crate exclusive. It is an X-Men Logan Wolverine. This thing is heavy. See that, kids? Let's pass it around. Wow. Then we have, I like this. This is Winston the Gorilla from Overwatch. I am really loving this shirt. You can all pass it around. And next we have our loot pen. It is a Primal loot pen, happy face. And here, go show the camera. That's good. So we have our loot pen, which is a happy face with claws going through it. This is our lootcrate.com/keys. Follow your instinct. I guess we're supposed to use this to solve some clues, a couple different pages, and we can go online and do this later on. We have, oh, this is pretty cool. It is looks like a Predator bottle cap opener. We don't open too many bottles, but when we need a bottle cap opener, this will be what I use. Okay, looks like there's one more thing in here, two more things. Looks like this is pretty cool. This is it says, warning, do not touch fence, electrified fence throughout the park. Jurassic World. I like that. That's really neat. I think I might put it on my fence, my gate outside. I'm going to pass it around to my family, and Robin is going to show you. What do you think, kids, so far?
Awesome.
Pretty cool.
Awesome.
And lastly, I'm happy to see this back. It is Explore the World of Primal. And it's our little booklet. It has information about what we received today. So thanks, everybody.
Look, wait.
Oh,
our favorite part, the box.
Oh, I forgot the box. Does anybody want to see the box? Okay. Let's look at the box.
Favorite part. My favorite.
Need a theme song. So here we have the last of our Loot Crate, the building of the dinosaur, and yeah, that's what I'm going to say. Primal Rage, Primal, Dinosaurs, Explore the World of Primal. Our dinosaur, our Wolverine, there we go. Bottle cap, or a bottle opener, Predator. Sir. Hey, she talks.
And our warning, do not touch fence, electric fence throughout the park from Jurassic World. And our pin.
You have to point it towards the camera.
I did point it towards
Oh, okay.
the camera.
Good job, everyone. Okay, goodbye.